Since you're here watching this video, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to present our patron to you.
Hi, I'm Katty.
And I'm Carl.
And together we are Nowhere Bound Touring.
For about 2 years now, we have been adventuring and travelling around Australia in our four-wheel drive truck and caravan. We sold our farm and all of our possessions prior to that, and all we have now is this, and this is now our lifestyle. We have no end date planned. It's open-ended, and we are just going to keep on travelling until we can't anymore. So it's not a 1 year or a 6 month travel around Australia. It's an endless adventure that we like to bring you along with us. We like to travel to more of the remoter, offbeat, not so advertised places in Australia. We find that suits our lifestyle better, and we just generally like it better.
And we presume that's why you like us.
Yep, we do travel to some touristy spots, but our main goal is to find those out of the way gems that fewer other people have. So we love that.
And it's not just Australia that we're aiming for.
That's right.
The truck's been designed so that it will fit into a shipping container. We can put it on a cargo ship and send it wherever.
All around the world. So once we've completed Australia is our immediate goal, and our long-term goal is to travel with the truck elsewhere in the world, such as New Zealand, South Africa, and virtually wherever we want.
Yeah, wherever we can get.
Yeah, to see the world and to bring the world to you.
Our aim by starting a Patreon page is to achieve two things. One, we would like to bring you along in a different way by making a more personal experience.
Yeah, so you will have the ability to get to know us better, to possibly, if you're that way inclined, camp with us, meet up with us on various events, and have more one-on-one personal interaction. You will also have the ability to interact more with us and help guide our channel by providing feedback and ideas and so on directly to us that we can incorporate in our channel.
We'll also provide some videos that have been removed by us or never actually made it to the actual channel.
Exclusive content just for Patreon members.
Be sure to understand we're not going to be changing anything as far as our normal content and that sort of thing. It's still going to be free on YouTube, but yeah, Patreon just offers another level for some people.
The second thing we'd like to achieve with Patreon is to help us grow our channel, to reduce the hours that I need to physically work to provide an income. Because when I work, it becomes very difficult for us to move around and provide good content if we're stuck in one spot for, let's say, 3 months. By creating a Patreon account, we're hoping that we can reduce that and also increase the content, better content, and of course, better equipment and so on, to help us grow the channel and to bring a better experience to you. One other good side effect from a Patreon account is to enable us to remain independent and not be swayed by money as much from sponsorship deals. We obviously want to remain true to ourselves and just be ourselves without having to worry about that. So that's another benefit that the Patreon account will hopefully provide to us long term, because we're not in this for the short term. We're into adventure travel and bringing it to you for the long term.
In our unique style.
Well, whatever style it is, that's our style. Good or bad, that's our style.
Freestyle.
Freestyle, it is a bit of freestyle.
I guess in a way we've been talking as if you understand what Patreon is. But if you don't, I'm just going to read out exactly what it is. Patreon is a support base to help fund your favourite creators, to keep making the content you enjoy watching and help them to grow their channel. It also allows patrons to experience a more in-depth side of our lifestyle.
Which is correct. You'll be more in touch with us
Definitely, yeah.
To our first 10 patrons that support us, you will be on our hero list. We don't care what level you choose, we don't care about anything like that. If you're within the first 10 patrons that jump on board with us, you're just going straight on our hero list, and we're going to hang on to that hero list because you're the first ones that are doing it. So head over to Patreon, have a look at our tiers, because we'd love to have you join our NBT Patron Clan. Get on over there. It's going to be a good adventure. It already is a good adventure.
It already is a good adventure. It's only going to get better.
It is only going to get better. And we're going to go further.
Oh, for sure.
Wait till we head up the Cape. Of course, everyone does the Cape. But anyway, wait until we head up.
Wait till we go to Darwin and experience mango madness.
Keen for that.
Thanks for visiting our Patreon page. And maybe considering being a Nowhere Bound Touring Clan member.